Now, devatas are glorifying that your body, this Shuddha Sattva Swarup, that is completely free of material Sattva, Rajo and Tama, with all transcendental qualities, full of all transcendental qualities. Your body is, for us, is a best upaya, a best gift for us. Why? Because all these different people situated in different ashramas, like brahmacharis, grihasthas, vanaprasthas, sannyasis, with their own respective duties, they will be able to worship you. Brahmachari will study Vedas. By studying Vedas, they will worship the Supreme Lord Krishna. Grihastha, Kriya Yoga. Vanaprastha, with their tapa, austerities, and sannyasis with their samadhi. All of them will be able to worship you. So this is a great gift for the world. Your avatar, your transcendental form, is a great gift for us, Sriya Upayanam, which will give the ultimate benefit, the absolute benefit for human being, for all the societies, all different levels of the societies. So important. Vedo Kriya Yoga. Satvang chedhataridam nijam bhave. If some people argue that no, we don't accept it as Vishuddha Sattva transcendental qualities. No. Whenever the Supreme Lord appears, the Brahman appears, he must have taken some material mood. Sattva guna, material goodness, mood of goodness, something like that. So Devatas are refuting their idea. How can you say that? Just by remembering him, just by worshipping the Supreme Lord's form, transcendental form, one gets freed from material nature. How it can be material? If a materially conditioned person worships the form of the Supreme Lord, he became freed from material bondage, and you are telling the form of the Lord is material, made of sattva guna or good mood of goodness, three moods of material nature. This is stupidity. It is silly. It is simply silly conception. It cannot be. With the effect, you can know the cause. If the transcendental body of the Lord is not transcendental, it's made of material sattva guna, then how one can be freed from material gunas by worshipping that form? It's not possible. It's a silly argument. So, it's useless people speaking like that. Nanam rupe guna janma karma vir. But even then, tasya sakshina, you are the seer, not to be seen easily. God is the seer. He is the sakshi, the witness of all our activities. Whatever we are thinking in our mind, Brahma and Devatas are telling, he knows everything. So because he is the seer, it's difficult for anybody to see him. He is drashta, not drishya, not to be seen. Mano vachabhya manomaya vartma. So, with the mind, with our words, we can just imagine, we can just make anuman, assumption of how God is doing these pastimes, but we cannot exactly see him. It's very difficult because he is the seer. Now the argument comes, if it is true, then maybe there is no God at all. He is not God. How can I say he is God? If nobody sees him, like Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur asked his teacher, because his teacher wrote a book where he wrote that God having no form. The Supreme Lord is without any form. So Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur asked, Sir, did you saw God have no form and wrote like that? He told, no, I just heard from others. Everybody telling like that, I also wrote like that. So if God have no form, then nobody will see him. But you can be directly seen. By whom? Srinman Granam Samsmarayam Chachintayan Namani Rupani Chamangalani Te Kriyashu Smatcharanaravindayur Avishta Chetyo Nabhavaya Kalpate. Srinman, by hearing, by glorifying your qualities, your beautiful form like Shyamashundar, Nandan Nandan, Rasika Shekhar, Govardhana Dhari. If somebody can completely absorb himself in this Shravan, Kirtan, Smaran, worshipping your form, Kriyashu, then that person can know you exactly, you see. Avishta Cheta. And for him, this material world does not exist at all. He is already freed. He is directly your person, your own person. Therefore, it is not that nobody can see you. If somebody, if some devotee, if some special person, if some saint, who is completely absorbed in Shravan, Grinam, Shravan, Kirtan, Samsmaran, remembering, Smaranam, Chintayan, Namani Rupani Cha Mangalanti, your names, your forms, and all auspicious pastimes like Govardhan Dharan. Kriyashu Yusmat Charana Aravindaya, Avishta Chitta. They will be completely absorbed, Avishta, completely absorbed in that thought. They will be completely absorbed in your Charanaravindaya lotus feet. Absorbed by your lotus feet. They will never have any bhava, no samsara, they are not to take birth again. And they will see you directly, face to face. And for us, it's a great fortune. Dishtya hareswa bhavata padavabhuvo. We will be able to see your footprints on this earth, or the dust of this earth. That is a great fortune for us. What to speaking of seeing you directly, face to face? Just by seeing your impression of your lotus feet on the dust of this earth, this is a great fortune for us. Dishtya haresya bhavata padavabhuvo. Bharopanitas tava janmaneshito. Dishtyan pitaitat padakahi sushobhane. The earth will be decorated by your footprints. That is a great fortune for us. And of course, you will relieve the earth from the heavy load of cruel kings who are torturing general people. But actually, that is not the real reason for you to appear here, to kill Kamsa or Jarasandha. No, that cannot be. You are all powerful. Just by your desire, lakhs and crores of Kamsa and Jarasandha can be killed. You will finish. Because you are all powerful. Why you are appearing personally in a particular form as the son of Mother Devaki? We think there is no other reason than to have your playful pastimes. There can be no other reason. You have not to appear here to kill all these demons, demoniac kings. No. Just by your desire, your plan, you can kill them all. And not only that, what to speak of cleaning? You are Abhayasraya. You are the shelter, refuge of fearlessness. If anybody, if any devotee takes shelter at your lotus feet, remembers you, they become free from Kamsa's wife. They are not afraid of Kamsa anymore. So you have to come to kill Kamsa. Just by taking refuge of you, one can get free from all kind of fears of these cruel kings. Bina vinodam vata tarkamaya. We are arguing ourselves. There can be only one reason for you to appear in this earth. That is vinod, playful pastimes. The maintenance of the world, creation of the world, and annihilation of this material world is done by your Mahapurans. You have not to indulge much, not necessary. You are not involved with that. You will come to do special pastimes, vinodam. Without vinod, there is no other reason for you to descend in this material world. Before also you have appeared in many different forms. Matsya, Aswa, Kachapa, Matswasya, Kachapa, Nrishinga, Varaha, Hamsa, Rajanya, Vipra, Vibudheshu, Kratavatara. Before you have appeared in the form of a fish, Matsya, in the form of Kurma, in the form of Varaha. You appeared in the family of Rajas, like Lord Ramachandra. You appeared in the family of a Brahmana, like Lord Bhamandeva. You appeared previously in amongst devatas, like Naranarayan Rishi. So, you are always protecting the world, maintaining the world. And now, as you have came already, you are coming. Please, O best among the yadus, please relieve Mother Earth from her sufferings. That was the ultimate prayer of the devatas to Lord Krishna. Now devatas are trying to condole, give some suggestion to Devaki Mata. Dishtyambati kukshigata parapuman angsena sakshat bhagavan bhavayanaha. He Mataha, O Mother, devatas are telling to Devaki Mata. Because of a great fortune, the Supreme Lord, Parahapuman, with all his plenary portions, with all avatars, the original avatari, Krishna, is your Kukshigata, is inside you, beside you. And Bhavayanaha, why he is there? Why he is appearing as your son? To protect us. Naha Bhavaya. Mahabhut Bhayam. Don't be afraid from this concern. There is no need, not at all. You have no reason to be afraid of concern. Because Tava, your son, will be the protector of Yadu dynasty. In such a way, they gave courage to Devaki Mata. And then Shukadeva Goswami is telling, Ityavishtuya purusam yadrupamanidam yatha brahmeshano puradhaya deva pratiyayur divam. In such a way, they glorified the Supreme Lord Krishna according to Sarva Pratyak Bhutam Sarvantaram Yadva Anidam Idam Taya Bhaktam Ashakyam Pratyaksha Jagat Vilakshanam. Anidam means Idam Taya Bhaktam Ashakyam. You cannot say this is Krishna. Why? Because Pratyaksha Jagat Vilakshanam. He is completely different than all the Pratyaksha phenomenal world. So Devatas glorified him. And then, eating Brahmaji and Shankarji, Lord Shiva, in front, they all went back to Swargaloko, to celestial planet. Now, Krishna is about to appear. Tomorrow is the appearance day of Lord Krishna, Janmashtami. We will see, we will do Kirtan. We will glorify Krishna from Srimad Bhagavatam, his appearance tomorrow. Pancha kalpatarubhascha krupasya patitanam pavanebhyo